Today, we take an important leap towards building a financially literate India. Presenting BSE Nivesh Mitra, an investing learning app brought to you by BSE, designed to empower investors across India with the tools and knowledge to make informed investment decisions. This app isn't just another financial tool. It's a learning companion, a practice ground, and a virtual investment lab that has real-world Indian stock prices as they were 90+ days ago, giving you a real feel of market movement without real-world risk. Welcome to BSE Nivesh Mitra, your practice ground for learning investments. Getting started is simple. Just download the app from the Play Store or App Store and sign in using your mobile number or Google account. The app begins with a quick risk profiling questionnaire designed to understand your age, goals, investment preferences, and psychology. Based on this, you get an indicative asset allocation that suits your profile. And here's where the learning begins. You get a virtual 10 lakh rupees portfolio to start investing in the securities market. While the default screen shows a Sensex watch list, you can customize your experience. You can create your own watch list of stocks and mutual funds and place buy and sell orders in a simulated environment. All your trades can be tracked under the order history section. Your portfolio tab gives a clear view of stock holdings, open positions, mutual fund investments, and yes, even your portfolio asset allocation. And there's more. The Learn section is packed with easy to understand videos and blogs on stock market basics, types of stocks and mutual funds, key financial terms, KYC, DMAT and trading accounts, IPOs, SIPs, goal planning, and much more. Whether you are a curious beginner or someone brushing up your skills, BSE Nivesh Mitra is here to guide you. Practice, learn, and grow. Download the app today and take your first confident step into the world of investing.